Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a Blox VTEC conversion kit, LS/VTEC conversion kit. Let me open it up for you, show you what it looks like. Let's make this quick because I don't want to waste your time. And it comes with this piece right here. It comes with wire. Alright. It comes with bolts. Comes with the kit, gasket. But other than that, yep, there goes your Blox VTEC LS conversion kit. Alright, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like my don't forget to watch my other videos. You don't have to like my videos, you could just watch them and that's it. Alright, there goes the part number once again, just in case you want to purchase. I believe I spent like $125. If anything, I'll just go into my eBay purchases and then I'll just tell you how much I paid for them. And yeah, alright then. Thank you for watching. Bye.